chopped liver.
I love it. Yeah, they're knocked out in the back.
Wait, wake him up.
Sienna Gunner. Sienna Gunner. We're here.
Is this a Christmas festival?
Christmas lights.
Oh my! I think did I go here one time?
No.
It reminds me of something. It reminds me of something.
Gunner, look at the lights, Puppy. We're here.
I need to stop you for a second. Mommy?
Puppy, open your eyes.
We're right here. Wait, is it like you're walking? You're walking.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, we're coming at you live from the Luminosity Festival here in Manhasset, New York. Going to you, Betsy V.
Buenos días, mis amigos. This is located in New York City in Long Island, and it's a lot of fun. People, I think, are waiting to take pictures. So
Okay.
let's keep it moving. Let's keep it moving. Oh my god! Okay, listen. Sienna Gunner. This is so pretty. Wow, 7-year-old made this whole scene. Oh my god, so cute. All right, guys. And now is it? What time is it? We came in at 5:10, 5:15. We entered, and right now it is
6:04.
6:04. So a good 45
6:04.
minutes, 40 minutes of being in here. So nice. I loved it. So pretty. This is the first time ever doing a light show walkthrough. 1 out of 5. 5. And it's a booyah. Kids, Sienna Gunner. Did you guys like it?
Yeah.
Yes.
And I'm sweating.
Sweating. I know you. I see all this. Alright, mis amigos, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment below, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much for watching, mis amigos. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And definitely comment below. It will help us on YouTube. And until next time, adios.